Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. So today's video is 8 Python skills you need before learning anything advanced. So before diving into advanced Python topics like decorator, generator or data science libraries, there are 8 essential Python skills you must master. So these skills will make learning advanced concept way easier and your code more professional. So let's start this. So the first one is understanding variable and data type. Okay, so we'll start this. So here firstly we have initialized x to 10, then y to 8.3, and then name we have kept Alice and is active 0. So this reminds us for integer, float, string and boolean. So let's see the output of this. So here we can say it printed the integer, boolean, string and float value. Now the next thing we'll see is control flow, if and else statement. So firstly we'll initialize age to 20 and now we'll see with an if and else condition. So here we are checking a condition that if the age is greater than 18 it will print adult, else it will print minor. So let's see the output. So hence we have initialized the age to 20, it printed adult. So now the third one is loops, which is for and while. So this will print for the for loop and in this only we'll print for the while loop also. So now we'll see the output of this. So here we can see firstly it printed for the for loop and then it printed for the while loop. So this is how we use for and while loop. And now the fourth one is reusable block of code, which is function. So firstly we'll create a function here and now we'll print it. And now we'll see the output of this. So here we can see it printed. So functions are very basic and very useful thing in Python. And now the fifth one is list and basic list operations. So it is list operations. So firstly we'll create a list here. Now we'll add an element using append method. So append method allows us to add an element and now we'll print the list and at last we'll access the second element of the list. So how we'll access? We'll use indexing. So in Python, in list indexing starts with 0. So now we'll see the output of. So here we can see as we have made a list with 3 elements, but by the append method we added one more. So it is our final list and we printed the list and then we appended the second element from the list. So now we'll move on to the sixth one, which is dictionary key value data storage. So for this we'll create a dictionary and now we'll print the dictionary and now we'll print the key value from the dictionary. So let's see what output does it gives. So here we can see the output and now moving on to the seventh one. So the seventh one is string manipulation. So firstly we'll define a string here and now we'll print it in upper text. All these are the methods and similarly now we'll see the output of this. So here we can see firstly we have printed this in the uppercase and secondly we replaced with the fun with awesome. So this is how string manipulation works. And now the eighth one. So eighth one is importing libraries and using modules. So Python has a huge variety of libraries in it. So we'll import a library. We are importing math, which will solve us our maths problem. So here we are finding the square root of 16 and we'll print it. And similarly we are also finding the value of pi here. So let's see the output of this. Hence we can see the output. So the square root of 16 is 4 and the value of pi is 3.14. So These were 8 Python beginner level trick which you need to learn before anything advanced. So if you like this video, do like, share, subscribe for more Python tutorials, and thanks for watching today's video.